For question number 10, we are given two vectors, vector b, vector a. And our vector c must satisfy the equation a minus 2b plus c equals 0. In order to do this, we are going to subtract c from both sides so that a minus 2b equals negative c. And because we want c to equal this equation, we're going to get rid of this negative sign by dividing by negative 1 to both sides. And if we do that, then we get negative a plus 2b equals c. And if we plug that in, a minus 2b, and we plug in this equation for c, so plus negative a plus 2b, then we will find that a's cancel out and our b's cancel out, and this in fact does satisfy the equation.